Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alemmarcell Ibrahim, and my partner is Joshua Theo Kurniawan Siregar. We're going to present about our project. It's called Ruang Dosen website. Before we discuss about our project, Ruang Dosen website, we're going to give a simple definition about what is the Google App Engine that we use to in order to create this website. Google App Engine is a platform as a service, and or we can say it's cloud computing platform that served by the Google to for the developer to develop and deploy their program application something like that in the Google managed data center. After we discuss about Google App Engine, we're going to discuss about API. API is an application programming interface that used to serve an interface between the user and the program. In this case, Google API is the interface they create by the Google to serving and do such tasks. For example, a Firebase API that used to store or read to create, read, update, delete data that will be done by the user from the application through the interface. After we discuss about Google App Engine and its own API, we're going to give a little explanation about what is Ruang Dosen website. Ruang Dosen website is a website for a user to learn and study about some particular subject and do the test to see how they progress about knowing this subject. Ruang Dosen website has two sites in order to fulfill the program itself. The first site is admin site. This admin site is used to monitoring about the user progress of how they're learning and to create, read, update, delete the quiz that will be tested for the user itself. And the second site is the main site, the user site. This site is developed for the user, obviously, to read their subject to learn about the subject they want to learn and do the test to know how they progress about knowing this subject itself. In order to create this project, we use two API from the Google. The first one is Firebase API to create, read, update, delete data to store to the Firebase itself. The second one is Gmail to give an authentication user using their Gmail that they already registered to the Firebase application. Tools that we use to create this website is Eclipse as the text editor, Google App Engine and Google API, a Firebase data store as the database itself to contain data that be flowing by the user activity or user account itself. And the last one is the web browser, obviously uh, to see the implementation and the progress of the website itself.
Hi, my name is Joshua Theo Kurniawan Siregar. In this presentation, I will present about Windows and web application in user site. The first page in user site of this web application, there are two forms. The first form is sign in form, and the second form is sign up form. In sign up form, users should uh, fill up all the blank fields to login and sign up form. Users should fill up all the field blanks to register their account. In sign up, there are four forms that users should fill up. The first The first is name, email, password, and confirm password. In in name, users should fill up their with their name, and the second is email. Uh, in this form, the validating is to check whether the password and confirm password is same, whether user has filled up all the blank fields, whether user has used the same email account in this web application, or user wrong to fill up the email. As a sample, if I forget use it, the email address is badly formatted because this is not a good format for email. And user should, if user wants to log in or sign in, user should fill up with the account has been registered. In report, the user result account is user account. If user want to learn or want test their knowledge, user can click the subject that they want to learn. As an example, this is the physics subjects, and if user want to test their knowledge, user can answers all of these questions and select an option. As an example, I click one of the options. And if user finish, user can look the result. And if user wants to see the result, user can click the report. And this is the result, the last result that user has to do. In account, user can update their account. As a example, I update my name, and my name has been updated. If user want to delete their account, user can click delete. And their account has been deleted. And finish.